and welcome to another edition of Maths Moments, where we make maths sweet and easy. Now today, I wanted to introduce you to the concept of rounding up and rounding down numbers. Now, we're going to look at the number 256 and round this up to the nearest 10. Now before we do that, there are a set of rules for us to follow. Rule number 1, organize your numbers. So, organizing the number 256 would mean that the 2 is in the hundreds, the 5 is in the tenths, and the 6 is in the units. Rule number 2, identify your focus number. Now your focus number, of course, is given to you in the question. So where we ask for the nearest tenths, what we've seen is the 5 is in the tenths column. Rule number 3, identify your instructor number. Now your instructor number is one number to the right of your focus number, which in this case is the 6. Rule number 4, if your instructor number is more than 5, you round your focus number, or you move your focus number up by 1. If your instructor number is less than 5, then your focus number stays the same. And then rule number 5, everything to the right of our focus number now becomes a 0. And let me show you how that's done. So, in this case, your instructor number is 6, which means it's more than 5. It says that we should move our focus number up by 1. So our 5 becomes a 6. And rule number 5 says everything to the right of our focus number now becomes a 0. So therefore, the 6 becomes a 0. So 256 rounded to the nearest 10 is 260. This is something that you can apply regardless whether you're asked to round something up or round something down. Stick to the rules and you can't go wrong. Thank you.